Have some dehydrated skin, can provide you minerals, nutrients that you need to reconstruct your skin and clean your skin too.
Okay, so
So what do we do to create?
Now, what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna help you with this scrubber, we're gonna need the zest of 1 orange and 1 lemon. And why we're gonna combine these two zests? The orange will provide you the vitamin C and the antibacterial properties. But the most important is the zest of the lemon, because they contain the citric acid that's gonna remove your dead cells and gonna clean your skin. So this scrub gonna work for 2 things. You can clean your skin with that, and when you have some muscle pains and everything, because of the zest of the lemon, you can apply too in your body.
okay.
Andrea, with a little part,
Okay.
scrub, okay?
Okay. This one.
Yes. And to be more easy, do it like this, around.
Around.
Yeah. Good. Assim. É rodar, sai muito mais rápido.
Eu tenho esse jeito para isto.
Ao início, sabe quando utilizávamos aqueles antigos da cozinha, aquele de alumínio? Imagina quando